So this is just my next quick video just to show my Fidget Servo node and also my Amazon Echo linked node for also the Fidget Servo. So as you can see, I've got the two of those nodes on this NodeRed page. There's the one which is just the Fidget Servo that has an input node point, and I'm currently linking that to 4 of the standard inject nodes with individual numbers associated with them, and the Amazon Echo servo alternatively doesn't have an input as it's coming from the Echo device, and it has one output which is could be used to link further down the chain. So my Fidget Servo, if I click on this, has simple options that go back to the same as what we had on the Fidget Interface Kit, with host and port options for linking to the web service, and we also have a start position slider which ranges from 0 to 180, which is the limit for the servo device, and that basically allows the position of the servo to be set for when the NodeRed is begins running, or it is redeployed. So showing the inputs of these values, I can send these messages, and I can individually click on each of these from 0 to 180. As I'm doing this, the motor is turning to that position. The only outside of that is there's a limit to the fact that it's between 0 and 180. So if you try and inject anything outside of that range, I've just put a little warning message in there just saying the fact that the requested position is not within the correct range. The Amazon Echo node version of this uses an extension URL on top of the other configuration options that is used by the Amazon skills as a HTTPS location to transmit the information to. So it sends a HTTP request to the website location that goes through this node, and then it both transmits that message outwards to these which I'm showing in the debugs, and it also internally uses that message to transmit back to the Echo device, and can understand can repeat an output back to the user to let them know that it's successfully attempted to change the position or request the permission, and it will inform the user of what the current permission is. So using the skill called Fidget, I can basically request the Echo from the Echo device, like so. Alexa, ask Fidget to set position to 110.
Servo position was successfully set to 110 degrees.
Alexa, ask Fidget to get current position.
Current servo position is 110 degrees.
So as you can see, the Echo device has given me both options based on what I've actually asked it. If I ask it something it doesn't understand, in terms of if I ask it to set something but it doesn't have a value, or if the value isn't in the corresponding range, again then it will fail and give me a unique message as well. And that's pretty much it at the moment. So hoping to move on next to having the Echo versions of both the fidget interface kit and the RFID fidget as well. So thanks.